Hello traders, and welcome to a new XauUsd and XAGUSD video analysis. This video will be in three parts. The analysis, how I see it from a psychological perspective, but I will start with my answer to all the hate that I got in the past few days. It was a lot. I don't understand why, because I haven't killed anyone, just said that gold could correct. Stay with it because it will be fun. I will start with my brother from another mother from YouTube that is trolling my content. I don't know, I fucked his wife or whatever happened, but it's clear that he hates me a lot. So the last, he sent it like, I don't know, 10 comments, but the last one is this, saying that it's very easy. First of all, he said that I have no stop losses. Stop saying that I have stop loss. I have no stop loss. I never said I have no stop loss. But besides that, he said that I should buy the dip, 43.20, TP 43.60, stop loss 43. So from a trading risk reward perspective is correct, but let's see what happened. So if, let's say, he bought on the first dip here at 20, would have got stop loss. Yes, it went under 43. Second, if we bought this dip also on 20, we see that it never reached 60, and again stop loss. So it's not so easy, my brother from another mother. On both occasions, you would have been stopped. So let's go to the second one. There are a lot of nasty comments, and not only public comments on TradingView or YouTube. I've received messages, private messages on TradingView, on Telegram, and so on. So this guy, it fits very well a Romanian saying, you know, dacă ești prost, măcar nu semnaliza. This in translation is something like, if you're stupid, at least don't signal it. And this guy is signal it. So if you look at his profile, what do we have here? So this is his profile. His last post was on March 2022. But we will start with his analysis on December 30, 2021, when he said that Gala is a strong buy, blah, 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 blah. Sorry. So let's look at, this is near USD. This is his Gala analysis. Gala was at the time of posting 0.5 USD, so 50 cents. Now let's look at where Gala is. It's 0.01, so 1 cent. So Gala, since his post, dropped almost 99%. So bro, leave me. Also, if we look at his last post, it's on near USD. It was $11 when he posted, and now near USD is I don't know, 1.5 or 1.7, something like this. So also 80% drop. So as I said, if you're stupid, at least don't signal it, and look at your posts and how they came true. I've shown you this because it's very easy to throw shit when you don't know what's happening and how I trade. Because let's look at this. On this sell-off, I made 600 pips. Of course, the price went up after this. But I speculated on this one. Again, I sold, I don't know, here. And I lost 250 pips. But the overall, result for these two trades is 350 pips profit. You don't know I made this money. You just say, it's going to the moon. It's not going to the moon. But let's go to the analysis because this is what we are interested in. So, as we can see on Friday, on Asia, a strong, let's say, blow-off top. It went to 43.80, dropped in this zone, so a support zone, formed a new support zone, went up again, touched again this all-time high, and dropped again. Tried to recover. You see here we have a confluence support. This became a confluence support. Tried to recover and dropped and made this low at 41.87, so almost 2000 pips drop. After this, the price is in a recovery and it's forming, we can argue here, an inverse head and shoulders. So this on the short term could, if we break above this level, so 40 through to 55 or 60 or so this zone, we can go up and retest this broken trend line or this level of old support. Now it became resistance. The measured target for the head and shoulder, for this small head and shoulder, is around 700 pips. So if we add to 42.50, we can have on Monday 43.20 or so. So exactly a retest of this level of broken trend line. In my opinion, the price will have a new leg down. And for this new leg down, I'm watching, this zone, 41. This is also a support 40, 60 or so. So this zone. What people should understand is that I'm not an idiot. And if I see a strong move on Monday, now I don't have any trades open. So if I see a strong move on Monday and I see buying power above this zone, I will not stick to my opinion that it will drop. And indeed it can make a new all-time high. From my perspective, this is not very likely, but there is this possibility. So I have this in mind. So what I will look on Monday, of course, we need to see how it opens, but what I will look if it's going to this zone and the reaction of the price in this zone. And if I have, if I see, that is struggling and there is no buying power, I will consider short, entering a short trade. Of course, with a target, I will look at 41.85 or so, the low from Friday, and of course, as I said, extending to this level of major support around 40.80 or 41. Why I think we will have a new leg down? It's a psychological factor. Everyone now is thinking, okay, this was the correction. We all expected, at least I expected a correction. But also the bulls are thinking that okay, it was a correction, it was normal. We rose from 4K to 44K in a few days, so it's a normal correction. So they buy the market, and we will have a second leg of drop. If we look at what happened with the crypto market, you know, last week we had the crash, and after the crash, everybody, I wrote on TradingView why I don't like this new narrative with you know, the big reset and now we are going to the moon. It's something similar. As you saw on Bitcoin, it dropped. Everyone thought that this was it, and it dropped again. And I think this will happen with gold also. So a new leg up and down continuation to finish the correction. But I repeat, for the haters and for all the one that have patience to watch the whole video, I repeat, if I see buying power, I'm not an idiot and I switch to buy. We'll finish with silver. In my in last week analysis on silver, I said that all things are suggesting a 55 price for silver, and indeed it went almost to 55, so 54.50 or so. On Friday night, we don't have a blow up top like in the case of gold. Silver consolidated above this old resistance level, so the old all-time high, and it dropped pretty quickly for 1,000 pips. Now also silver, it's in a recovery, and this level of support and old all-time high became resistance. And also here, if the price is going to this 53.50 or so, 40.50 or so, I will look for selling opportunities. And here also, sorry, so let's say we trade like this. Here, as a target on this level of support, we have more than 1 to 2 risk reward, but silver could, if this correction became more aggressive, and as I said, gold drop towards 4,100, here also we can have a deeper correction, and we can drop even to this level of support. It's probable, in my opinion, so around 48.60 or so, and this gives us almost 1 to 4 risk reward. So that's it for this analysis. Let's see how the market will open on Monday, and I will update with written analysis, and also I will try to be more active on YouTube. Bye bye.